Can you say hi? Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, we both got a monster truck. Hi guys, it is later on in the day. I have not vlogged anything until now because I thought that I was going to be able to go get my teeth, my cavities filled today. They had a free clinic, but it ended up not working out. But hopefully, I've got an appointment with a dentist, but they can't see me until March. So anyway, I was going to try to get it done today, but it didn't work out. But once we got back home, I laid Christian down for a nap and all that. So we just got up, we ate, and we've been playing. He got some Play-Doh. So we've been playing with Play-Doh, and now we're outside. Oh wow, it really jumped, didn't it? It jumped high. Whew, look at that monster truck jump. He is obsessed with monster trucks. That's what, whenever I turn on videos for him or whatever, he always wants to watch monster trucks. He is obsessed. Wow. Oh. Oh. It got stuck in the tree. The leaves. It got stuck right here. And then you didn't move and it fell on your head. Oh my goodness, that was so weird, wasn't it? Whoa. No, it didn't get on your head. Yeah. But anyway, we are up and just thought he should come out here and get some energy out. Play. Woo. Wow. Here we go. Here we go. Cody is gonna be getting off work in about an hour. Well, maybe not. They might get off early. No, they won't. Cody, hang on. Okay. Anyway, Cody is gonna get off work soon, and then he is off work tomorrow, which is Friday, because his boss is going out of town, so the whole shop is closed. And then on Monday is a holiday, so he actually has a 4-day weekend this week, so that's awesome. We're looking forward to him being home with us. But are you trying to make it go on your head? Oh. Come here, let me fix your pants. Come here. They're sagging a little bit in the back. Alright. There you go. But anyway, we're outside. Gonna let him burn off some energy and before Cody gets home. Hi.
Bye.
Hi.
Hi.
What did you do today?
Really bad.
Look at mommy. What did you do today?
Really dead.
Really good.
Huh?
What have you been playing with? Look at mommy.
Yes.
What?
Yes.
Look at mommy. Look at the camera. Tell them what you've been playing with.
Diet.
Tires.
Diet.
Silas.
Yeah.
But what did you get today that you've been playing with? Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Play-Doh?
Yeah.
Say it.
Video.
Play-Doh.
Oh, yeah. You do one.
Whoa, good job. Keep your eye on the ball. Good job. Go get the balls. You did awesome. Yep. Oh. All right, try it again. Whoa. There it is. Went to the woods.